Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the tutorial you guys will be seeing today. This lovely hairband achieved with scarf. So guys, stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. It's a short video, but you guys will learn something different today. So let's go. First thing, you need this bridal hairband. You need your rubber band as well. Then you also need your scarf. You can use any type of your scarf, either long one or wide one, so you can use any type of scarf. Can you see guys? So now you turn it over, then you put it inside. Just watch carefully and see. It's a short video and it is something you guys will love to see. Just keep watching, do not skip. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, keep watching. Can you see how the hairband is coming up small? Just watch carefully. And if you love this video, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. Can you see guys? So when you are done securing it with rubber band, you just open it for you to have a long hand. Can you just see? Then you roll it well to make it neat. Then you place it on your hair, side, front, anywhere you want to position it. And this is the final look of the hairband. So you are good to go. Thank you so much guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.